Hi students. See, in the previous video I discussed about what is the meaning of pH, what is the meaning of pOH. Then pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. pH plus pOH is equal to 12 at 90 degrees Celsius. Now we will discuss certain problems on pH, pOH. So first question, calculate the pH of 0.01 HCl solution. Say HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, HClO4. These are strong acids. Then sodium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. These are all strong bases. Strong acid or the strong bases almost 100% get ionized. And for the acid, H plus concentration is given by H plus ion concentration is equal to C into alpha, where C is the concentration, alpha is the degree of dissociation. H plus ion concentration is equal to concentration of the solution into alpha, and being strong acid, alpha value is 1 for this. So what happens here? C into 1 means in strong acid, what is the concentration of the solution given is the H plus ion concentration also. I repeat, for the strong acid, what is the concentration given? This is the C value. Is H plus ion concentration also provided. See, H plus ion concentration is given by a formula. And remember, when if concentration of the solution is given in the molarity, A into C into alpha. A is basicity of the acid. C is the concentration of the solution. Alpha is the degree of dissociation. Note this formula properly. And remember, for the strong acid, alpha is 1 only. Or if I write the percentage, it is 100%. 100 by 100 is 1 only. So, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, HClO4, they are all strong acid. So, for them, alpha is 1. And when the concentration is in the molarity, this formula applies. So, you see, this is C value, and that will be the H plus ion concentration also, because A value for this, basicity for the HCl is 1 only. So 1 into C into 1 and 1 into 0.01 into 1, which is 0.01 only. Whereas instead of this, if it is a sulfuric acid, not a problem. If it is sulfuric acid, then A value becomes 2. So 2 into this will be the H plus ion concentration. Now, see, these are all strong bases only. And remember, not only 2, there are other things also. That time, what happens here? OH minus ion concentration is given by this, not the H plus, is equal to A into C into alpha, where A is acidity of the base, not basicity of an acid. It's the acidity of a base. C is the concentration of the solution. Again, alpha is the degree of dissociation or degree of ionization. Note this formula also. OH minus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha. But again I repeat, if the solution concentration is given in the normality, then H plus concentration is equal to C alpha, OH minus concentration is equal to C alpha. No A term will be there, no acidity term or the basicity term. Directly H plus or C alpha, H plus is equal to C alpha, OH minus is equal to C alpha if normality is known out. Write in the box. So write in the box. Formula to calculate H plus ion concentration when concentration of solution in molarity H plus or OH minus also. H plus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha. OH minus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha. A basicity of an acid, C concentration of the solution, alpha degree of dissociation or degree of ionization. Here A basicity is not an acidity. C concentration of the solution, alpha degree of ionization or degree of dissociation. So one formula. This is for acid, this is for base. Not it properly. Now, this one is formula to calculate H plus ion concentration or OH minus concentration when the solution in normality. Instead of molarity, normality is gone out, and H plus concentration is equal to C alpha, OH minus concentration is equal to C alpha. No acidity or the basicity terms are involved. C. Concentration of the solution. Alpha. Degree of dissociation or degree of ionization. Again, write down important. One more point you write down. For strong acid or strong base, alpha is 1. Not it properly. That means for the weak acid or a base, it is not 1. For weak acid or base, alpha is not equal to 1. Therefore, H plus concentration is not equal to the concentration of the solution. OH minus concentration is not equal to C. Not equal. Or if you write C into A, C into A. Not equal. Whether the normality is there or the polarity, they are not equal to each other. Because alpha is not 1. Now, calculate the pH of 0.01 m HCl solution. So, C is given out 0.01 m. As pH is negative logarithm of H plus, I have to take the logarithm. So, I will write it as 10 to the power minus 2 m also with the scientific notation. 1 into 10 to the minus 2. 1, 2. So 10 to the minus 2. Then HCl, A value is 1 and the alpha value also 1 because it's strong acid. So I have your pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. So from this data, get the H plus ion concentration is equal to A into C into alpha 1 into 10 to the minus 2 into 1 is equal to 10 to the 2 m. Students, in the competitive exam, using all this step is not necessary directly what the value you know. You take it as C if it is monobasic or monoacidic. Directly take it. Simply don't waste this much of time. Now substitute your pH is equal to negative logarithm of 10 to the power minus 2. Now, see here, I have log A to the power n formula. It is n log A. Now use this formula to calculate this. Is equal to minus. You see, log A to the power n is n log A. A is minus 2. So minus 2 log 10. And log 10 is 1. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. The pH is 2. Now, in this only, let us also calculate pH. Now, use the formula pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. You will be mentioning the temperature there at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. So pOH is equal to 14 minus 2, which is equal to pH is equal to 12. Now, see this problem. Calculate the pH of 0.04 m HCl solution. Again, concentration is in the molarity only. So I cannot use H plus is equal to C alpha formula. I have to use H plus is equal to A into C alpha formula. That you have to remember. So C is given out 0.04 young, which I write as 4 into 10 over minus 2 young. Scientific notation. And A is 1 again, it is monobasic. Alpha also 1 because it is strong acid. So H plus ion concentration is equal to A into C into alpha 1 into 10 over minus 4 into 10 over minus 2 into 1 is equal to 4 into 10 over minus 2 young. Again and again repeat. Simply don't waste this much time in the competitive exams. Don't follow me in this case. Since you are learning, I gave each and every step. In the exam, competitive exam, no need to follow this much of step. Remember this fact. Don't blame me afterwards. Say that, sir, I followed what you said, so I could not get the time. So don't do that. Now, pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration. This is the formula. Is equal to negative logarithm of 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now, see. Only until you understand, you follow this step. Minus is there outside. Put the cloud right. This is in the form of log AB. Log AB is log A plus log B. Remember this. So it is log 4 plus log of 10 to the power minus 2. Now, minus log 4. So, log 4 is log of 2 square, which is equal to 2 log 2. And log 2 is 0.3010. I told you, competitive exam, log paper or log book will not be given out. This type of paper will not be given out. So what I said? Remember certain log values like log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7. Approximated value for other you can calculate also. So I have log 2 is 0.3010. So it is 0.6020. Otherwise, what you do? Go up to 40. 6021 is there, and write that one. But as only one digit is there before the decimal, 0 point you write. So it is 0.6020 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. It is in the log A to the power n formula. Log A to the power n is n log A. Use that. Minus 2 log 10 is equal to minus here. Now 0.6020 plus minus 2 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So minus 2. Now see. This is minus 6020. Minus of minus is plus 2. So is equal to 2 minus 0.6020. And get answer there, which is equal to, that implies pH is equal to, get the answer. 1.3980. pH is 1.3980. Now, to get the pOH, 14 minus 1.3980 UH. Get the answer. How to do it quickly? See, you are getting up to this, you say. pH is equal to negative logarithm of 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now, next step what to do is how to do it quickly. See, this will be the you write it as same only, but change the sign. Whatever the powers is there, write it with changing the sign. If the positive value is there, write minus. If the negative is there, write positive. Then minus log 4 means this should be written as say pH is equal to minus log of 4 into 10 over 2 is the ratio. Then 2, but you write minus 2 minus log of 4. This is how to write directly. Because it comes to the same formula, just here. So, whatever power is there, change the sign, then write this. Whatever you have the minus log is like this. This is how to solve quickly. Now, see this problem. Calculate the pH of 0.001 SCM. See, it is in the normality. So, H plus ion concentration is equal to C into alpha. No A term is there because normality is equal to molarity into A, basicity, and already basicity factor is taken care in the normality, so no multiplication by A will be there. And C is 0.01, which I can write as 10 to the power minus 3 m also. And alpha is 1, is as strong as C. So H plus concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 m only. Now, pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. So, pH is equal to negative logarithm of 10 to the power minus 3. What I said? Write this here. So, 3, then nothing is a log 1 minus log 1. I won't say or no need right. So, it is pH is 3 only. pOH is 11. How? pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pOH is equal to 14 minus 3, which is equal to 11. Next problem is here. Calculate the pH of 0.001. Next problem. Calculate the pH of 0.01 m sulfuric acid. Also calculate pOH. See here, H plus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha. So H plus concentration is equal to 2 into 0.01. C value is 0.01, which I can write as 10 to the power minus 2 m also. Into 10 minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. This is the H plus concentration. Why? Sulfuric acid is a dibasic acid. H2SO4 gives 2H plus SO4 2 minus. There are 2 replaceable hydrogen. Therefore, A value is 2 for this. That's why I wrote 2 here. Dibasic acid. equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 2 into 10 power minus 2. Or pH is equal to 2 minus log 2. Okay, no? Write this one, but change the sign. Then write this as minus log 2 like this. Okay. So it is 2 minus 0.3010. Get the answer. 1.6990. That is the answer for this 0.01 m sulfuric acid. pOH is equal to 14 minus this 1.6990. That is the answer. 12.3010. Next problem. Calculate the pH of 0.5 m sulfuric acid. So C is 0.5 m. A is 2 for sulfuric acid. Alpha is 1. So H plus concentration is equal to A into C alpha is equal to 2 into 0.5 into 1 is equal to 1. So H plus concentration is equal to 1 only. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 1 or 0 is the pH. Remember this. pOH is 14. And remember one more important point. Lower the pH, stronger the acid. Note here, important also. Lower the pH, higher the acidity of the acid, or higher the acid strength. Higher the pOH, higher the basic strength. Not it properly. No. Higher the pH, higher the basic strength. See, pH 10, pH 14. Definitely pH 14 is stronger basic strength. Whereas pH 5, pH 2, then these have higher acidic strength. Basic strength is higher for this, acidic strength is higher for this. Problem. Calculate the pH of 0.5 n sulfuric acid. H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. H plus concentration is equal to 0.5 into 1 is equal to 0.5. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 5 into 10 over minus 1. This one I wrote as 5 into 10 over minus 1 also. So pH is equal to 1 minus log 5 is equal to 1 minus 0.6990 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0.3010 at the pH. pOH 14 minus 0.3010 calculation. (13.6990) is the pOH answer. In this problem, calculate the pH of 0.03 m sodium hydroxide solution. Generally, what we do? So H plus concentration is equal to 0.03 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 2. Yeah. This is the general thing what we do. Because they ask the pH, we suddenly jump into the conclusion that C is this much. And we write that H plus concentration is equal to A into C alpha. Sodium hydroxide is a monoacidic base 1. So 3 into 10 power minus 2 into 1. And write it as 3 into 10 power minus 2. But it is wrong here. This is wrong here. Why is wrong? See, sodium hydroxide is a base. So NaOH on ionization gives Na plus and the OH minus. Since it's a base, it is not the H plus concentration. It is the OH minus ion concentration. OH minus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha is equal to 1 into 3 into 10 power minus 2 into 1. So, what happens here? OH minus concentration is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 2. Then POH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus concentration. You must, sir, they did not ask for the pH. You may say, sir, they did not ask for the POH. But first you have to calculate pOH only. So POH is equal to negative logarithm of 3 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to 2 minus log 3 is equal to 2 minus 0.4771. Log 3 is 0.4771. Get it? This is the pOH of the solution. And pH 14 minus 1.5229. Get the answer. .4771 is the pH of the solution. Write down what? If acid, then directly calculate pH. So, if acid and to calculate pOH, first pH should be calculated. If base, pOH directly calculated. If base, to calculate pH, first calculate pOH and then calculate pH using pH plus pOH is equal to 40 at 298 Kelvin. This formula. Note it properly. This one, base. So I should calculate the pOH first, then only the pH can be calculated. See, this problem can be calculated in a little different manner also. See, OH minus concentration I am getting at A into C into alpha is equal to 1 into 3 into 10 power minus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 2. See, Now, without calculating the pOH, I can calculate pH also. I'll tell you. Because here see, H plus concentration into OH minus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. So OH minus concentration here. So get the H plus concentration. This is the alternate method. Is equal to 10 power minus 14 divided by 3 into 10 over minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 10 over minus 12. H plus concentration is equal to 0.333 into 10 over minus 12, or H plus concentration is equal to 3.333 into 10 over minus 13. Now use that. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 3.333 into 10 over minus 13 is equal to 13 minus log of 3.333 is equal to 13 minus 0. Now 33. Since only one digit is there before the decimal, I have to write 0. Now go up to 33. 33 and 3. 5 to 2, 4 is gone out. 5 to 2, 4 is gone out. And in the 3, he has given 4. So 2 each. Add that 4. So get the answer. 12.477. Same question I solved in a different manner. Which is easy for you? You use it. So this is easy for me, then use this method. No sir, first I'll get the pOH, then I'll get the calculate pH, then use that formula also. No matter. And you know how to solve the computer exam when the logarithm page is not there. See, log 2 is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, log 4 is 0.6020. Now, whatever the subtraction should be in between 0.4771 and the 0.6020. And if you are there giving the answers as 12.1 etc. cannot be answered, because my answer should be subtracted in between this and this. If 13 minus 0.60 is there, it will become 12.4. And if it is 47, it will become 12.53 etc. So my answer should be in between them. By that you can judge the answers. What is? So that is the thing. Next problem. Calculate the pH of 0.08 m barium hydroxide solution. So pH cannot be calculated. First I calculate the pOH. So OH minus concentration is equal to 2 into 0.08 into 1. Barium hydroxide is a diacidic base. So this is C, A is 2. Alpha is 1. So OH minus concentration is equal to 0.16, which I can write as 1.6 into 10 over minus 1. pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 1.6 into 10 over minus 1. pOH is equal to 1 minus log of 1.6. So 1 minus 0. Now move up to 162041. So it is pOH is equal to 0.7959. pH is equal to 14 minus 0.7959 is equal to 13.20. Now see this problem. Calculate the pH of 0.001 m aluminum hydroxide solution. A is 3 tribasic acids. C is 0.001, which can be written as 1 into 10 to the minus 3 m. Alpha is 1. So OH minus concentration is equal to A into C into alpha is equal to 3 into 10 to the minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 into 10 to the minus 3. pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus concentration. pOH is equal to negative logarithm of 3 into 10 to the minus 3 is equal to 3 minus log 3 is equal to 3 minus 0.4771 is the log 3. And also pOH is equal to 2.5229 is the pOH of the solution. If the pH is asked, 14 minus 2.5229, that will be pH. 11.4771 is the. Now, next problem. Calculate the pH of 10 to the power minus 8 m HCl solution. And he has given the 4 options also. In this, many make the mistakes. Why not? Right. H plus concentration is equal to 10 to the minus 8 by saying this. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of 10 to the minus 8 is equal to 8 log 10. Log 10 is 1, 8, and there this is the answer. I am not saying that I did properly. What I did was wrong only. pH is not 8. pH is not 8. See, it is an acid. HCl is an acid. Acid pH cannot be greater than 7. Remember this fact first. Acid pH cannot be greater than 7. Okay. So 8 answer is lost. 6.9 is there. 5.9 is there. 6 is there, which are acidic pH only. Then, so you said 10 to the minus 8. It gives the 8 as answer. You are saying it's not the answer. Why? And which is the correct answer also? See, HCl solution is, so H plus given by the HCl is 10 to the power minus 8 m, and H plus will be given by the water also, which is 10 to the power minus 7 m, and 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 7 are comparable, whereas HCl 10 to the power minus 3 m HCl is very safe. Water 10 to the power minus 7 m. This 10 to the power minus 3 and the 10 to the power minus 7 are not comparable. So H plus given by the water, we are ignoring it in previous problems. Or if you take also a marginal difference, very minute difference will be occurring over there. That's why we are ignoring the H plus given by the water. But as you, H plus ion concentrations are not differing to the much extent. H plus of the water and H plus of the acid both should be considered. So H plus total is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 plus 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power 8 coming from the HCl, 10 to the power minus 7 from the water. So what do you do? It is, how much you have to write now? 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 7. Bring them to the both to the same powers. So it is 10 to the power minus 7 is common, 0.1 plus 1. So H plus concentration is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to 7 minus log of 1.1 is equal to 7 minus 0. And 1 is 0.0414 is equal to 7.9586, and the answer is 6.9586. This is the answer. Not this is the answer. And again here 7.7 minus 0.5.9 cannot be even. 7 minus 1 is not there. 6 also not the possibility. From here, this calculation is not at all necessary also in the computer exam. Note it properly. And it proves acid pH cannot be greater than 7. Next problem. Calculate the pH of 10 to the minus 6 m sodium hydroxide solution. So here again, OH minus from NaOH is equal to 10 to the minus 6. OH minus from water is equal to 10 to the minus 7. Because we are going with the aqueous solution. Comparable, so OH minus total is equal to 10 to the minus 6 plus 10 to the minus 7 is equal to 10 to the minus 6 is common is equal to 10 to the minus 6 plus 0.1 into 10 to the minus 6 units is equal to 10 to the minus 6 common 1 plus 0.1 is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the minus 6. This is the OH minus total. POH is equal to minus logarithm of 1.1 into 10 to the minus 6 is equal to 6 minus log of 1.1 is equal to 6 minus 0.0.04. So it is 5 points here. .9586 is the answer for this. Whatever the POH. Exact digit you have to work out. See, if the value of 6 is given out, as well as 5.9586 is there, then this is the exact answer, not this. Calculate the pH of 10 to the minus 1 m HCl solution. See, H plus given by the HCl is 10 to the minus 1. H plus given by the water is 10 to the minus 7. So H plus total is equal to 10 over minus 1 plus 10 over minus 7. 10 over minus 1 is common, so it is 1 plus 10 over minus 6 is equal to 10 over minus 1 into 1.0001, which is almost 1 only, is equal to almost approximately equal to 1 into 10 over minus 1 only. Because of this, H plus given by the water is neglected when the large difference is there in the concentration of the acid and the water hydrogen ion concentrations. When the large difference is there, that is neglected from the water. So directly this is taken as H plus concentration. pH is equal to pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration is equal to negative logarithm of 10 over minus 1 is equal to 1. pH is equal to the T naught.